Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I filmed a few days in Melbourne visiting my friends, my childhood friends, my high school friends, and I really wanted to talk to them about adult friendships. I feel like as life changes, our friendships do too, and the way to maintain them and nourish them definitely changes, and so I wanted to get some of their advice on how to maintain relationships as an adult, starting off with Jarvis. What is your number one tip for adult friendships?
I don't know, man, because like none of us hang out as much as we did in school, and it's a bit sad, and everyone has their own life. So it's like, oh guys, what are we doing? And everyone's like, I'm working, I have a child.
Yeah, it's true.
So I don't know, just cope with that.
What? No, that's so negative. We're literally going to Melbourne to see our friends. That's a good tip.
Yeah, once
Make
every
time.
5 months. It's not like they ever come up and visit us. Joey, it's 6 in the morning. I'm gonna be moody, okay?
I was hoping for some like inspirational advice.
Not this early in the
Brutal.
morning. You'll get it when like I have my coffee.
Right, I'll
it's like
ask Jarvis again later.
11:30 and we're like
Getting on
in the
plane.
car with Shanti.
Okay. I'm gonna re-ask this question and put them side by side and compare your answers.
Speaking of, I need to text Shanti because I'm not sure if he knows speaking of stuff.
Quando o sol se pôs, pensei em nós dois. Foi a alma que morreu.
Well, like it just has like the 95.
Tudo escureceu. Bem ao
We have landed in Melbourne. Shanti, pick us up. Oh, Jarvis. Now you can actually answer the question now that you're not sleep deprived.
How to maintain adult friendships.
Oh yeah, like what's a tip you have for adult friendships?
Are they really that different to little
You
friendships?
literally were
Or-
going on about how we never see each other and all this shit.
I think when you're hanging out with your adult friends, just don't go on your phone.
Yeah.
I think
Present
that's a
time.
big one. Because I know when I go to Lozzie's and I'm just on my phone and then I'm like, alright, it's been 2 hours, see yous.
Yeah.
I'm like, did I actually just hang out with them?
Yeah. What is your advice for adult friendships?
Oh, don't be afraid to reach out. Everyone wants to have friends as an adult, but people are just like, oh, everyone's so busy, it's so hard to reach out. So you just have to like force them to make plans in a way. Just be like, all right, we're doing this on this day. It's true. And then you're not gonna regret it. Like, yeah.
I agree.
Stand there and watch me burn.
You know that one?
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I'll play it properly.
Wait, do.
You remember that one?
I don't.
We sung it in West.
You guys from high school, I am so like as comfortable with you as the last time I saw you a
Yeah.
year ago. Like there's no issue. But then like people you meet in uni,
It's hard to break
I'm
that.
just like it always feels like I'm just like hanging out with them for like the first time. Even though I've seen them maybe like 50 times, it just still doesn't feel like.
Wait, I'm gonna set this up because I actually think this is a great conversation. The friends you grow up with, I feel like you have that like, at least for us, like with our school and like the level of friendship we all had is like you're just so comfortable with them. Like every time I see you guys, I feel like I can be 100% myself.
Yeah.
Whereas I feel like when you meet new people, it's so much harder to get to that level of closeness and like get to that state where you just like it's just so effortless.
Yeah.
And then you don't really want to necessarily invest in those friendships, like those new friendships, because I'm like, oh, it's just going to be the same as last time. You know, where you just become close for a couple months and then
And then
it's
it's
just,
like less.
it's not, you're not interested. Like, I'm not interested in hanging out with
Yeah.
any of those.
What I like. It sounds really bad. So recently, I've found some people that I really want to become friends with, and like we've kind of hit it off, and because they're really interested in the same stuff that I am. But what's helped is we spent a very good amount of time together straight away. So like a camp
That's
or
it.
something.
That's
So a camp or something where you can't really like leave or be like,
yeah.
you know, you don't have to be like, oh, we should get a coffee. It's like, oh, we're both here. Let's just kind of do our thing. So that really straight away like links together with like these new people, and now I'm like, fuck yeah, I actually want to put effort into this relationship and this friendship.
You just verbalized what my thoughts were.
Literally.
Because I'm technically in my like 5th year of being a uni student. In those first 4 years, I made like friends, but like I met a lot of people, made a lot of like friends that I went out with a couple times, whatever. But then I went on exchange, and I was in a dorm for 2 weeks with uni students, the same uni students, like same people. And then now there's like a bunch of those people that I'm actually really interested in.
Yeah.
Because we were forced in a way to be within 50 meters of each other for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I guess that's what makes school friendships, like
Yeah,
high
so
school
strong.
friendships.
Yeah.
Strong as you like
Actually
day
have
in, day
experiences.
Do you have those people like on Instagram that you think like, these are my Instagram friends kind of thing? Like you view their stories and they view yours.
But
and,
you're not really in each other's lives.
No, you're not
Oh,
in each other's
yeah.
lives, but you're in each other's like social media
Yeah,
lives.
literally, it's so
Is it-
weird. You like
yeah.
know what you're
and
doing.
you think like, oh, that's enough. It's like, no,
like,
it's not.
no.
Yeah, I have a
Like-
lot of people on my close friends list on Instagram that are not my close
Like,
friends.
you're like,
Yeah,
they are
literally.
not.
But
yeah.
somehow I'm comfortable sharing like my
Yeah.
unhinged close friends stories.
Yeah. It's so
Yeah.
weird.
That point was really good though, Jarvie. Like I feel like actually doing like things, like
Cardiac.
whether it be
I'm sorry, I'm trying to get my water without this.
whether it be like traveling or like going on some sort of experience, I feel like really
Yeah.
helps form those connections, because otherwise they can just stay so superficial, you know,
Yeah.
and like
It's hard,
surface
like-
level.
I totally, yeah.
I just finished coffee with my friend Rosie. She literally, we like met in high school, so I've known her for so long. So I just love her so much, and we just had such a beautiful convo. And I'm just so fucking grateful for all my friends, and like this trip is just, you know, getting to see so many of my like high school friends. And I think, I don't know, like looking back, I think after high school we all kind of had to like, not all of us, but like I think we all distance each other from each other, because we were like, you know, I want to meet new people and all this stuff, which is really important. But I think I'm finding in the past like year, so many of my high school year is like becoming friends again, and like finding groups, because we're just like, fuck, we're so lucky to have each other and to have those people that know you so well and love you. And I don't know, there's just something so special about childhood friends, and I think that's the thing, like now entering those relationships as an adult and like appreciating them, I just feel so lucky. Like I literally just like fucking cried to Rosie on the side table on the street, which is so embarrassing, but I was just like, I feel so safe with you to just like actually just like voice how I'm feeling. And yeah, just really fucking grateful for all my friends, really fucking grateful. And I'm really, really happy that I have stayed in touch with these people and like do trips like this when I have time and the money to like, yeah, just be so present. And yeah, I feel like I don't really have much work to do while I'm here, or I could be doing work, but I'm like really making this trip about just like catching up with my friends and like having that quality time. So that is the biggest thing, is just like really being able to appreciate your relationships and nurture them and show up, you know. Like me and Rosie met for coffee now, and we literally got there at like 9:40 and we're there till like 11:40, so it was like 2 hours of literally catching up. And I'm just like, oh, to have people that really like can be so present. It's like we didn't check our phone the whole time. Like it's just like really value that my friends are able to be so present in my relationships with them.
All good. Been there, picked that.
Offers head massages.
Try it.
Yeah, I have a question for you.
Oh no. Is it about my shell nails?
We just got our nails done by Aisha, my little love partner. Java, do you want to show your nails that you got done?
Yeah, girl.
Ooh,
God
Oh my
damn.
god, holy shit. Heidi,
Yes.
what is your advice for...
Sorry, when you put your arm on
Go, stop complaining, honestly.
right.
Is it on your ding dong?
No, it's my like bladder.
Oh.
It's okay. Sorry,
Don't
I'm
pee on us.
interrupting. I'm interrupting.
Yeah, thank you. Heidi,
Yes.
concentration. I don't even think you're looking at me.
Beautiful boy.
He's just a baby. Heidi,
Sorry. Yes.
advice for adult friendships. What is your advice?
I don't actually do adult friendships.
Oh shit. What is this?
Yeah.
This
This is a toxic whatever we got going on here.
I mean, this is how I found them, so...
I was trying to listen to the Hamish and Andy podcast, and I got
Well, I just wanted his attention.
I really want these pants as well.
We had a little discussion off camera the other day about our little friendship.
Off camera.
Yeah,
We
well,
actually
the
don't have
camera
any
was off.
discussions off camera.
It's all documented for your documentary.
Yeah, true.
What were you saying?
What do we struggle with
In our friendship.
growing up? Nothing's changed between us for the past 8 years.
I need the question one more time.
I have
Okay.
something so that you can all elaborate on, actually.
Okay, that's good.
I think that a big reason that we all have good friendships is because even though we are adults, when we're with each other, we still let ourselves be really playful and like do like fun, silly, like I don't know, just be childish.
We're able to be like that because we've known each
You're
other.
getting a disease, bro.
Because we've known each other for so long that when we see each other again, it just makes us a child.
But I feel like so many adults and people feel like as they get older and busier, they just like feel like they have to be different or like not be this. I don't know. I guess I keep saying like silly and playful, but I guess it's just like that childlike thing where you're just like when you're young, you're just like hee 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 ha ha ha, and then when you're an adult, you kind of forget that you can still cultivate that, but you just need to like I don't know, do things that aren't just like going to get coffee and just like hanging out and like I don't know, just like making it still a safe space where you can just be like when you were 12.
And it seems like when you're kind of growing up and like people are getting more serious jobs and you really have to schedule in to see friends. But fortunately all of us are poor and don't.
So we're just at the house hanging out.
We don't have anything else to do.
My advice is don't let go of your innocence in adult relationships.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
a really good way to put
especially
it.
like I think with new people it can kind of be scary because you're like, oh, what if I am my normal like little childlike self and they're just like, oh, you're such a baby.
But how, like, it's so, there's nothing worse than meeting someone and then it's like, oh, so where are you from? It's like, oh, here. Oh, like, what do you do? Oh,
Just a
this.
small
Yeah.
talk.
It's like,
I
oh,
know.
that's it. Your child self opens up a whole new world of, like, being able to actually explore how your connection goes with someone.
I'll let you put it on me if I can put it on you.
No.
This is what Heidi has done to Jarvis. Is like,
Let me look.
No,
Joy.
Jarvis, it actually looks pretty cool. I reckon you're gonna want to get it tattooed.
Yeah. Travis?
Quote, bro, you're getting a disease. End quote, Joy, 2024.
I'm a big kid.
Heidi, you are the oldest of us. You have to wait.
What's this? I never wash my hands.
Ew, Heidi, didn't you listen to the Asian and wash your hands?
No, I never
Mine is select motorbikes. There's like 500 motorbikes in this thing.
It's a bit of an exaggeration. Tell him.
Sorry, are you talking to me?
I just want your
Are you
attention.
talking to me?
We just.
Are you talking to me?
That's enough, thank you.
That's all we needed.
That's all I need.
Just an
Whoa.
Looking back at my time in Melbourne, I just feel so grateful. I feel like this video only really shows like 10% of my time there, and you know, all of my favorite memories and moments were obviously off camera, but I'm grateful that I was able to capture some of it and that I have such grounded, present, loving, caring, humble friends that just let me ask them these questions and have these combos and moments in front of a camera. Like, guys, these people were in front of my vlog camera when I started at the age of 14. Like, they know me so well, and to be able to feel so safe and seen and heard with them just feels like such a blessing, especially now that I'm older and yeah, know how rare it is to have these kind of relationships where you can just be so at ease. And so I guess to all my friends, I see you and I'm so fucking grateful for you.